Want your own GPT? First, pick a single clear purpose and audience. Name it, define tone, and write a one-line goal your GPT must achieve. Choose the base model and adjust temperature and max tokens for behavior. Write a crisp system prompt that tells the model exactly how to act. Add a few example prompts and ideal responses to teach the model your style. Now test the GPT in the built-in chat and iterate on unclear answers. Add safety rules and fallback responses to handle tricky or unsafe queries. Preview appearance, avatar, welcome message, and on-screen hints for users. Want to integrate? Use this simple API call to forward messages to your GPT. Run quick live tests with sample prompts and capture feedback from users. Iterate fast, tweak prompts, adjust settings, and retest until confident. Finally, publish and share your GPT with a link, monitoring use and improving it over time.